Hi, are you a CEO, COO, or VP of operations looking at buying new equipment to install somewhere in your production? Check this episode out first and stay tuned for more. Hey, my name is Johan Mylab. I'm the founder and CEO of Lean Dimensions International. You know, something that's really exciting in many businesses is to buy new equipment, right? You buy big machines or long production lines, etc. It's quite exciting often. But what I found is that when buying the machine is often justified with number of pieces produced in the machine, and you can do more, it's cheaper to run the machine, and therefore you can buy that machine. That makes sense in one part of my brain. That makes sense. However, if you have equipment or a workshop that has multiple cross flows, like a mechanical workshop, not process industries now, big paper mills or something like that, more of a mechanical industry. The thing is this, that the machine in itself is not the only thing that controls the flow and delivery of products. It's the entire flow from end to end. So my recommendation when looking for a new machine and decided before you decide to invest is to always value stream map that one, because then you can see what effect that machine will have on the total value stream. So you will know, will I actually have a higher output? Or if you run a machine inside of a flow a little bit faster than the other ones, you just build inventory, right? Even if it's cheaper to build inventory, still you don't sell more, and that's what you normally want to do. So if you have a problem or an opportunity to buy a new machine, value stream map first, so that you know you're buying the right equipment and they have the best effect for your bottom line of the business. Do you recognize this situation? Do you feel that this might be something you need to focus on and think about more? Please contact me. I'll be very happy to talk to you about how we can support you like we do in Lean Dimensions International. And like and share this video, and thanks for listening as always.